It's quite windy outside, so I thought I'd started the vlog here because I have no idea how windy and how that's gonna affect the sound today. But the plan today is to go around and see whatever I can find and see if I can look for the purple sandpiper. So hard today to try to photograph the eider. I didn't find a purple sandpiper, but they seems to be a little bit more skittish than I'm used to. Last year they were more trusty and they came so much closer, but now they come in here. The thing is that there is some fish boats in the area here, so I'm guessing that the fishermen, they throw out some fish, so they are used to, like, when people come here to like getting food. But yeah, these here are so more skittish. So I managed to get a couple of shots, but this was not easy at all. And also the water here is so high, so I cannot find a good place to lay down low. It's between the rocks, so it's really challenging and not good for my body. This is how I need to lay on these types of rocks. I got one arm down in the water. So luckily this jacket here is quite waterproof, but now I have laid a little while because the birds started to get a little bit closer, and therefore I just throw myself down between the rocks, and now it's starting to get a little bit wet. But yeah, this is really cool now. So I changed from the D4S to the D500, so I get a little bit more range, and now I get a little bit more greater pictures of this beautiful bird. That is great. I did not believe that I'm going to get any good pictures today or get close to this bird here. When I saw it, it was just far out and didn't want to come close at all. But now it's a different situation, and that is nice. Really nice. The light is changing a lot from sun to overcast, and now it looks like it's going to be rain in any minute now. But oh, here it comes. It's a bit far now again, so I might try to lay here a little bit longer and see if it comes closer. it was starting to rain. The bird disappeared, so I think I'm just going to find some shelter so I can get my camera equipment away from the water. Away from the water. Whew. What a crazy weather. I said it. A couple of minutes there's gonna be rain and it's just pouring down, and I had to rush in my car now to get all my equipment away from the rain. Whew. That was heavy. I'm wet and I'm starting to getting cold, so I'm heading home. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.